How to add a filter to your video on InShot app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a filter to your video on InShot. First thing, go to InShot. Now this is the home page. Go to video, click on the video or photo if you want. Now I'm gonna click on video and I have already this one. Now if I want to add a filter to this video, all what you have to do is go here down and click on filter option down here. Now click again on filter, and as you can see you have many filters as you can see right here. Choose one of these and it will be updated to your video. After you finish, click save from here and everything is done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.